Welcome to ReSupply Tutorial 7. My name is Shim, and today we will review the Phone tab. This feature allows you to make a customized phone tree for your store. A phone tree is a menu-driven system that routes callers to recordings, more menus, or a person. It is extremely useful if your store is constantly flooded by phone calls. This feature is already included in your subscription at no additional cost to your store. Take a moment to read over the learning objectives. Here is an example scenario of how a ReSupply phone tree would be integrated with your existing phone tree. First, ReSupply buys a new phone number for your store. We do our best to try and match the area code in the following first three numbers. When the donor calls the new phone number, a pre-recorded message is played, such as, "Hello, you have reached our store. Please listen closely as the following options have changed. Press 1 for store hours. Press 2 to schedule a pickup," etc. The donor then dials a preferred option based on the customizable phone tree menu. If a donor desires to speak to a representative and presses that corresponding option, the call will be automatically forwarded to your existing store phone number. This way, you do not need to change your existing phone number, and it can be seamlessly integrated into the new phone tree architecture. In this case, because a donor is required to call the new ReSupply phone number to access the phone tree menu, the new phone number needs to be advertised on your store's website, Google, or Facebook page. Often, the new phone number is advertised as the donation hotline. We will now review the 4 phone tree extension options in the charity portal. Under the Voicemail tab, click on Setup. This is the page where you can customize your welcome message when donors call the new ReSupply phone number, as well as the phone tree options. To set up a welcome message, simply record a MP3 audio file with your desired script and upload it by clicking Choose Audio. A link to an example script is also embedded in the details of this YouTube video. In the lower half of the page, you can set up your phone tree options. Your store has up to 9 available extensions. You can name your extension, then choose the extension function using the drop-down menu. The first option, Donation Scheduling Messages, sends a text message back to the donor with a link to your store's webflow. You can customize the messages here at the Donation Scheduling subtab. After the donor presses 1 on their dial pad, the first automated text message will be sent to the donor's mobile device. It contains your store's webflow link, as well as any other information you would like to add. Should the donor reply, a second automated message will be sent to the donor. The second extension option, Route Them to Phone Number, is the forwarding option. Write your store's existing phone number for the donor to reach you at the store. You will need to upload an audio file for each extension. Contact your Customer Success Manager to get a blank audio file to upload for all forwarding extensions. The third extension option is Read Additional Message. This option will play another audio recording of your choosing. Examples are recordings of store hours or store addresses. The last extension option, Record Voice Message, brings the caller to voicemail. All recorded voicemails can then be reviewed in the Received Voicemail subtab, as seen in the current example. Here, you have the option to play, archive, or delete the voicemail. Lastly, the Call Log subtab compiles all of your historical phone calls. It displays the phone number, date, and time of the call. It also shows which extension was selected by the caller and if a donation scheduling text message was sent. If the caller submitted a donation request, a hyperlink to the donation placard is in the column. Click on it to display the full view of the donation. If you are interested in setting up a phone tree for your store, here are the following steps. First and foremost, contact your customer success manager. Your CSM will purchase a new phone number for your store and guide you through the process of setting up your account. Next, download the example phone tree script located in the description of this YouTube video and customize your phone tree options and script. Afterwards, record the audio files, either using the website provided or using a recording app on your phone. Ensure that the audio files are saved as MP3 files. Lastly, access the Donation Scheduling subtab in your charity portal and customize the donation text messages that your callers would receive should they wish to donate over their mobile device. As a final reminder, you will need to advertise a new phone number so that your customers can start calling the phone tree instead of your existing phone number. Congratulations! You are now ready to set up your phone tree. Continue on to video 8 to learn about the fundraising feature.